Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I want to thank you because we hit 30 subscribers. So to thank you, I'm going to vlog a trip to Athens. So stay tuned for that. This video is going to be DIY room or house decor for spring 2018, as you already know from the title. Let's start. So for this DIY, you will need an old t-shirt, scissors, and a pot. Here we go. Take your t-shirt and cut 8 stripes. They don't have to be perfectly straight because you won't be able to see them in the end. Stretch the stripes well and then cut the edges. Now take all the stripes and make a knot. This is going to be the place where the pot's gonna be, so make sure you've tied it well. Now spread all your stripes and start making knots until you're happy with the result. Make a final knot and then cut the extra fabric. You can now hang your pot and you're done. So for this DIY, you will need a bunch of fake flowers, scissors, 2 jars, ribbon or something like ribbon, and labels. Let's start. So first of all, take your jar and then you will need to take out your labels and stick one of them on it. I recommend you a clear jar and you'll see why later. So now you will need to take your ribbon or everything you want and make some patterns just like I did. Just don't forget to secure it with clear tape and not washi tape. So this is an optional / surprise part that I haven't told you yet, but you will need to decorate your jars. I don't know how they're called, but we don't really have to know how they're called, because we're just going to use them in our jars. So put a lot of this stuff in your jars. I didn't have enough of these to fill both of the jars until the top, but I am sure that your DIYs will look really cute and way prettier if you fill them up all the way to the top. Let's move on to the next and last part of this DIY. As you might have already guessed, it's time to put our flowers in. So I'm gonna put one of these in each jar. And then these 2. Doesn't it look super cute and pretty? So that's it. You can surprise your loved ones with a really good looking breakfast, or you can just keep it for yourself as a decoration. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time.